Hello and welcome to the part 10 of this video series. In this video, we are going to see comments. We will see how we can use single line comments, how we can use multi-line comments, and what are the XML documentation comments. So let's go to Visual Studio and see these. I have opened up my Visual Studio here. So comments are basically that we use to describe our code. Suppose you have written some complex logic and you want to explain that logic in normal language. For that, you can use comments. Let's see example of a comment. Console write line. Hello world. This is a very basic line of code, but let's say I want to explain it what is happening here. What I can do, I can use single line comment. I can put two forward slashes and then I can write my comment. Here we are printing hello world. So this is how you can describe your piece of code. Just like a single line comment, you can use multi-line comments also. For that, you can put forward slash and followed by a asterisk. Now the multiple line comment has started. Now you can enter your comment. This is line 1. This is line 2. This is line 3. And you can end it with a forward slash. So this is how you can create a multiple line comment also. Here we have a single line comment. Here we have multi-line comment. Let's see the keyboard shortcut to comment and to uncomment. Let's say I have a line of code here. And I want to comment this line. What I can do, I can use the keyboard shortcut Control K plus C. Let me type it here, Control K and then C. I will put my cursor anywhere in the line and I will press Control K C. It will comment my line. And if I want to uncomment this line, I can press Control K and U. This will uncomment my line. Control K and U. You can see comment is removed now. And other ways you can use the two buttons which are available here. You can use this button that says comment out the selected line. This will comment my line. If I press the second button, that is for the uncomment, my comment is removed. If I want to comment multiple lines, let's comment these two lines. I can select these two lines and press this button. This will comment my line. And I can press the second button. This will uncomment my line. Comments are very important and it's a very good practice to use comments. Whenever you are writing a complex logic, you have to describe that logic using comments so that if someone else is working on that piece of code, they can understand what is going on in the code easily. Now let's understand the XML documentation comments. To understand that, if I hover my cursor on console, you can see some messages coming here represents the standard input, output and error streams for console application. If I want to have this similar message for my classes also, I can use the XML documentation comments. Let's say I have a class, public class, maybe I will name it my class. And I will try to use my class in my code. If I hover on my class, you can see there is no messages coming. There is no description that is attached to my class. That's why I'm not able to see that. If I show you again on console, I was able to see my message. It represents a standard input, output and error streams. Wherever on my class, I'm not getting any such description. If I need to add a description to my class, what I can do, I can use XML documentation comments. To put an XML documentation comment, what you can do, you can start your comment with a triple slash 1, 2 and 3. You can see Visual Studio has converted it into a summary tag And here you can write the summary of your class. Let me say this is my class for demo. If I hover again on my class, I can see the same message is coming here. So this is how you can add XML documentation comments for your own classes. Let's go back to the slides now. So we have seen the purpose of comments. We have seen how we can use single line comment and multi-line comments. We have also seen what are the keyboard shortcuts that we can use to comment or uncomment the piece of code. And we have seen how XML documentation can be used to add description to our own classes. That's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we will learn about if statements in C#. Thank you for watching.